How to recover deleted photos from Facebook? Well, is there a way to retrieve deleted photos on Facebook? Any tips on how to manage FB data on an iPhone or Android phone? Please watch on to get what you desire. Part 1. Can you recover deleted Facebook photos/videos? To simply put, archiving feature in the Facebook app enable its users to keep a copy of all your messages, pictures, videos, and other attachments to your computer for preservation. Part 2. Recover deleted Facebook photos from recently deleted folder or recycle bin. Access deleted Facebook photos from phone's recently deleted folder. Check your phone's recently deleted folder in gallery, a recycle bin. Deleted photos stay for 30 days. Open gallery, select and restore them. Part 3. Recover deleted pictures on Facebook from the Facebook archive. Log into your Facebook account and go to its settings from the hamburger. Browse to your general account settings and click the Download a Copy link. Facebook will load a dedicated page, prompting you for the archive info. Just click on the Download Archive icon and maintain a stable internet connection to store the archived file. Finally, access the file, right-click, and extract it to a location. Afterward, you can browse your archived content, including the photos, and then find the deleted